Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to unlink your YouTube channel from your Google Ads account in just a few simple steps. Why might you want to do this? Unlinking helps keep your accounts organized and ensures your advertising focus is streamlined. Let's get started. First, sign into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Tools menu, located at the top right corner. Next, click on Linked Accounts. Here you'll see your connected accounts, including YouTube. Find your YouTube channel and click on Actions. Select Unlink from the drop-down menu. Confirm your choice. Hit Unlink to finish the process. You're all set. Remember, unlinking doesn't delete your YouTube content, it just separates the accounts for better management. If you need to reconnect in the future, it's just as easy. Just follow the same steps in reverse. Thank you for joining us. For more tips on digital marketing, don't forget to subscribe and check our other videos. Happy marketing, and see you in the next video. For any questions, leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, take charge of your online presence.